officials think that wellness partner of the NFL. Traveling for the holidays? Pure Talk has you covered. Because they just added international roaming to over 30 countries. Okay. That's right. When you're making calls from the Vatican or on a beach in the Bahamas, you're covered.
Blocking
and
my
the
way
steps of
behind me.
Buckingham Palace or your villa in
Stop
Santorini,
with the
you dial away. And here's the best part. There is no rate increase.
Cars here. Come on, dude. It's supposed to be out of the way when you see a car backing up. Why she's looking at me?
America's most dependable 5G network. So the coverage is second to none. So don't delay, folks. Switch to Pure Talk, a veteran-owned wireless company with simply the best U.S. customer service team. Now with international roaming to over 30 countries. From your cell phone, dial pound 250. Say the keyword Mark Levin to make the switch, and you'll save an additional 50% off your first month. Again, dial pound 250. Say Mark Levin.
I was trying to ask for a receipt, but the stupid guy behind me couldn't fucking wait a second. Yeah, he couldn't fucking wait a second for me to. Damn. Man, people are rude. Way too rude.
You're listening to the best of the Mark Levin Show. Have a very Merry Christmas. Just listen to the way these people on the left talk. They don't talk about American principles. No, it's always about them and their ideology. There was a piece in FT.com, Financial Times, by some leftist named Edward Luce, U.S. National Editor and columnist. But I want to read this to you. Try and ignore all the, the stupid stuff. But here we go. An unexpected rift that has been brought out by the Israel-Gaza crisis also aggression between Joe Biden and Broadway. Former aides to America's 44th president made it clear that they disapprove of how America's 46th president has been handling Israel since October 7th. Now listen. If Obama were in charge, they say the U.S. would be putting conditions on military aid to Israel and calling out Benjamin Netanyahu as the greatest failing. The word's getting out among the Democrats, their media, the Joe Scarboroughs, and all the rest. The invisible hand behind what's going on here. Blinken is originally his deputy secretary of state. Sullivan worked with Obama to Obama's cause shot. That's why you see all the anti-Semitism and all the anti-Israel. Because that is precisely the point Biden's people reply. Only by hugging Israel closely can America exercise leverage over its actions. Without Biden's embrace, there would be no temporary ceasefire, hostage prisoner exchange, or humanitarian aid getting to Gaza, they said. Leave Israel aside for a moment, right? He says, I'm not sure former members of the Obama team are winning the argument. It's not as though Obama's criticisms of Netanyahu had any effect when he was president, quite the reverse. Israeli settlements continue to expand, and Netanyahu broke all diplomatic protocol by giving a speech to U.S. Congress attacking Obama's nuclear deal when he was in the midst of negotiating. That's right. Netanyahu actually represents his people and says he doesn't want Iran to get the nukes. He's supposed to sit there and shut up. Obama's in charge. My point is that there's not so much love lost between Obama and Biden. What he writes in here, too, is that Obama, now, he's talking to Obama. Obama hates Netanyahu stands in the way of their design. He's trying to protect the country. And these people hate it. Remember Khalidi? Remember I talked about him last night? Remember we played some of the audio? Professor Khalidi of Columbia, a history professor from the Middle East, the Edward Said seat. In my view, Israel haters and also Hamas mouthpieces. The point he writes is there's not much love lost between Obama and Biden. We're not. The fact that Donald Trump came in between their presidencies, we could be focusing a lot more on what divides these two men. Some of it's personal. Biden felt disrespected as vice president. His advice was routinely ignored. Obama staffers did little. The disguised that they saw Biden as someone who had to be tolerated rather than solicited. He's from a different generation and learned his politics in an era that seemed to have lost its relevance. Biden felt slighted. The friction between them was capped by Obama's preference for Hillary Clinton, and so forth and so on. Some of their friction is also political. If you compare Obama's foreign policy record to what Biden's doing, they're often on opposite sides. Obama doubled down on Afghanistan with his big troop surge. Biden pulled out precipitately. Obama responded weakly to Vladimir Putin's annexation of Crimea. Biden is all in for Ukraine. I'm going to question that soon, later in the show. Obama talked about a pivot to Asia. Biden's doing that. Obama detested Netanyahu. Biden says they've been friends for more than 30 years. Evie, I love you. I don't agree with a damn thing you say. Obama would agree with the second sentence, but die 1,000 deaths before uttering the first. That's the point. Obama wants Netanyahu out. Obama hates Israel as it exists today. Obama's a mouthpiece for the Palestinians. And Obama brought in the people who wanted to build up. Let's talk about AMAC, the Association of Mature American Citizens. Folks, these are trying times. Everything is expensive, but AMAC can help you and your family discover some savings. You can save from 10 to 65% on cell phones and plans, vision, dental, prescription drugs, travel and lodging, movie tickets, food and dining, and more. Go to amac.us/Mark. The savings alone will more than pay for your subscription. With prices on the rise everywhere, AMAC is your family's connection for financial survival. What's more, AMAC offers an advisory service for Social Security and Medicare that's designed to help you better understand these critical programs and answer any questions you may have. Stand in solidarity with me and over 2 million patriots by joining AMAC today at amac.us/Mark. That's AM.
Too bright. Not supposed to be driving with the high beat.
The Association of Mature American Citizens. Better for you, better for America.
Psoriasis flare-up can make a walk in the park. Well, no walk in the park.
That obvious, huh? I've tried so many lotions and creams, but I still have symptoms.
So those don't do enough to keep inflammation beneath the skin, leaving you with those uncontrolled symptoms.
Makes sense, but what else can I do?
You can get real with your dermatologist so they can help you get clear. Make an appointment and, oh, you're already on it.
Hi, yes, I'd like to make an appointment.
Get real clear about psoriasis at letsgetrealclear.com. Sponsored by AbbVie.
Why choose a Sleep Number smart bed? Because no two people sleep the same. Only the Sleep Number smart bed lets you each choose your individual firmness and comfort for your Sleep Number setting. The Climate 360 smart bed is so smart it actively cools or warms up to 13 degrees on either side for your ideal sleep temperature. And now save 40% on the Sleep Number Special Edition smart bed and Sunday. To learn more, go to sleepnumber.com. Sleep Number, the official sleep and wellness partner of the NFL.
Thousands of stores across the country are pulling brand name cold and allergy products off the shelves. Why? Because an FDA advisory panel recently determined that a drug they contain, oral phenylephrine, is ineffective as a nasal decongestant. Navage offers a drug-free solution that's fast and highly effective at relieving nasal congestion caused by colds and allergies. Navage uses suction to pull saline in one nostril, around the back of the nose, and out of the other nostril to help suck out allergens, mucus, and germs. Nasal irrigation works, and Navage makes it quick and easy. But more than anything, it helps you breathe better. Don't waste your time or money on products that are ineffective. Trust drug-free Navage for fast relief to help you breathe easier, sleep better, and feel healthy. Ask for Navage at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Target, or find us online at Navage.com. Navage. N-A-V-A-G-E. Clean nose, healthy life.
Hey, have you finished your holiday shopping yet?
No, I just cannot find anything for my sister-in-law. She's so picky, and I don't want to give her a gift card again.
Doesn't she have a big Euro trip planned for next year? What about getting her a subscription to Rosetta Stone? I got one a month ago, and I've learned so much already.
That's a great idea. Why did you pick Rosetta Stone?
The app has this great feature that tells me how well I'm speaking each word compared to native speakers. I've never gotten feedback like this from any other app before. Plus, it's fun and has tons of bonus content to teach.
Oh,